In this video, we're going to talk about how to add cards to our videos. This is a new feature that YouTube has implemented just a couple months back, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And if we go to our video manager here, we'll choose a new video, and I'm going to click the edit button. And keep in mind that every time that you create a video, if you want to use the card feature, you have to add the card to each individual video. You can't just create one card and turn it on and have it appear on every video. Not yet, but I hope that's some feature that YouTube will consider adding sometime in the near future. The first option here that you have is to associated website, and in order to use that feature, they recommend that you have your site connected with a website, and you do that by going to your advanced options here under channel. Under associated website, right here is your associated website, and make sure that that has success next to it. That shows that the site has been officially checked and YouTube has approved it. So going back to our video manager now, we'll go back to our video. Now we're wanting to add a card, so we'll go up here to our card feature up at the top. We'll click cards. Now we're going to click add card, and we're going to use the associated website, and we're going to enter iPhoneCaptain.com, and then we'll hit create card. But we got some more options here to fill in. I only want it to have iPhone Captain on it, and the call to action we could put click here, and teaser text, best ISO info around. All right, and then you could click the create card, but we want to also change this photo because that don't look very appealing. So if we come up here to pictures, we're going to actually use the iPhone Captain logo, which is the little cartoon guy right here. Now we'll click create, and after you create it one time, then you'll be able to use it. You'll see what it is I'm talking about here just in a moment. But as you can see, when you add it, it adds it right at the very beginning, and it does that because then, as you'll see, once the video starts playing and you hover
it's
over,
Mitch at iPhoneCaptain.com. We're to Apple.
you probably want to move it up here because you see right there beside best iOS info around, that's the teaser text that we put in, and people will see that, and they don't see that teaser text unless they hover over the actual video itself. So once they click that, then you see they get the little slide out here that shows the card that you created. So now we're going to go back over here. We'll create a different card, one associate with video and playlist, and we'll click create. And we'll just choose this yellow one here because it's very vibrant and bright. And here we have one that says best 5 iOS 8 Cydia tweaks. So it looks like that's the second one right here. And then here's the first one right there. So now we're going to let those play, and we'll go back out now to our video.
At iPhoneCaptain.com, we're checking out the new Apple Watch. Everybody thought it was checking.
Now also keep in mind, guys, even though we have created 2 of these, you can only use one at a time. Because as you can see right here, whichever one you have clicked will be the one that appears. So keep that in mind, whichever one you have hovered over and clicked right here. Once it shows up here in the video, that'll be the one you see in the actual video. So be represented from your website, then you want to make sure that you have chosen that. If not, then you'll want to be sure that you have chosen. It'll show whichever one that you want, but you know they can scroll through them once they appear, but you can only open the one at one time. It won't give them the option to open one or the other on the screen at the same time, is what I'm trying to say. So I hope that didn't confuse you too bad. Now I'm also going to show you what this looks like on the mobile device when you have your cards enabled. And as you can see here, we've already got our video going, and I was going to get it turned in. Now when you touch the, let me turn this down. When you touch the actual screen, you see you get the little teaser text up here in the corner, and if you touch that, it'll actually give you the slide out. And if you touch either one of those cards that we created, then it will take you to our website. If we touch the iPhone Captain one, you see it takes us to our website, and that's where it's taking us to now, iPhoneCaptain.com. You see that it's loading up right here on the screen. And now if we go back in here and we touch the second one, it will actually take us to that particular video and start playing that video. But the main thing about the cards, guys, they're really awesome. Just keep in mind you do have to create them and add them. I'm sorry, you don't have to create them. You have to add them every time you create a video. So keep that in mind. It's not something you can do one time, turn on and forget. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll talk again in the next one.